What you're looking at here are some Georgia collard seeds that I purchased at my local Ace Hardware. Flip the bottle here. Now, they came in a package, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But you normally, for those of you who purchase seeds on a regular basis, you normally don't get a lot of seeds for your money. This is, in my opinion, a great value. This was $1 worth. I'll put this cap back on it and show you. This is the envelope. So let's get a little closer. It's Georgia collards, and the cost $1. So if you're scrambling, trying to figure out where you might be able to purchase some seeds locally, you may be able to check at your local Ace and see if they have any. These are mustard greens, and to show you the difference in size, this is the amount that I was able to get for $1 of the mustard greens. So it must be that the collards are much more popular than the mustards are. So if you're having any issue trying to find seeds, check at your local Ace.